Hey guys, welcome back to Quick Guide. In today's video, I'll show you how you can register for online banking on HSBC of Singapore. It is really simple and easy process to register for HSBC Online Banking. In order to do that, all you have to do is go to any browser on your desktop, then visit the HSBC website. And once you land onto an interface like this for online banking, go and tap onto the online banking. As you are directed to another page, choose your banking type. Then select your country or region from the accounting. Once done, tap onto the Go icon. By doing this, it will take you to another page. Now you'll have to go and tap onto Register in order to register for HSBC Online Banking. Now to start the registration process, scroll down to the bottom and tap onto Register Online. Now you need to verify your identity. You can choose your account from the options below. If you choose to register with a credit card number, then you'll have to enter your credit card number details and your credit card PIN. Similarly, if you choose the debit card number, then you'll have to enter your debit card number, debit card issue number, and your debit card PIN. And if you register with the ATM card number, then you'll have to enter your ATM card number, ATM card issue number, and ATM card PIN. Then tap and continue. And now you'll have to verify your mobile number with the verification code that is provided by the bank to your mobile number. Once you have entered the verification code, tap and continue. Now you'll have to create a new login details, create a unique username for yourself, then set a password for your account and confirm your password again by re-entering it. Once done, tap and continue. And now you'll have to create a security questions. Now create a memorable security question and answer for yourself, then confirm the security answer. Once done, tap and continue. And lastly, tick on the checkbox in order to agree to the terms and conditions set by the bank. And now tap and continue. And now your registration process is complete. So the next time you log on to HSBC Online Banking, you can log in with your username and the set up password that you have created. So this will wait for today guys. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the like button if the video was helpful, subscribe to the channel and stay updated for more videos like this. Bye bye.